Okay then guys, welcome to my level. So start off, you start in this area which is like a little confined area with concrete blocks so the player can get used to the controls. So the first objective or first quest is to fly over the 4 markers. So here it says welcome soldier. Before we start, let's make sure your chopper is flying smoothly. Hover over the 4. Come on. Hover over the 4 go-to markers using the left stick. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is just to teach the player the movement, make sure they understand it. And as you can see, the quest has been ticked now. So the next one is to take out the boxes. So nicely done. Now take out the 3 targets using the right trigger to shoot and switch weapons with LB and RB. And then the next one just says use the right stick to rotate. So first weapon, the second weapon, and the third weapon, all working fine. And then that's ticked as well. And then the final quest is to take out the turrets and follow the road to the extraction point. Now it was pretty vague, but the road does go through the whole map, so if they stick to the road they'll reach the end of the level. And for taking out the turrets, that's kind of just an option. They don't have to, but it just makes sense to do it. So this says, looks like you're ready, follow the road to the town ahead. So I'll get rid of that for now. So follow us around. We've then got some pickups, and this notice says, looks like there's some ammo up ahead. These pickups can be found throughout the level, so just introducing the pickups. So we got just ammo for all the guns, just to make sure they're all refilled. So then we're going to follow the road through these mountains. We've then got a checkpoint, and this notice just says you just reached your first checkpoint, this is where you'll respawn if shot down. So carry on. We then got this meshed area, it's like a little village, and this is the first turrets the player comes into contact with. They've got pretty low health and the damage is low as well, so it's a nice little starting area. So just take out these, and we carry on. And we've got a repair just in case the player lost or took a lot of damage, and another checkpoint. So then we go into this sort of canyon area, and we have the moving turrets. Again, these have got low health though, so should be one hit with the weapon too, if I can hit them. Okay, so there's 1. 2. There's only 4, and again, they don't do much damage. They've got low health, and the movement speed's pretty slow, so it shouldn't be too difficult to take out. And then here's the final one. There we go. Then we're going to fly back up here. And you would follow the road, but there is a little hidden area here, like a little temple, that has a repair and some more ammo. I don't actually need any ammo for this gun, but we'll pick it up anyway. So we got a repair and then some more ammo, and we'll go back to the road. My whole level does have blocking volumes as well, so like these walls for example, can't go through them. Also, like the other side of this road for example, there's a blocking mesh here, and they're all the way around the map, so even on top of the mountain, so if the player does try and escape, they can't. So our next tutorial says the canyon up ahead has 2 routes, choose wisely, and another checkpoint. Now see here, there's a split, and there's a little sign that says go right. So we'll go right first. This is the easier route. There's no turrets this way, but there's also no pickups. The only turret is right at the end of the road, where the two roads join back up, which is here. So we'll leave that for now, actually we'll come back to it. So we'll go back, all the way back. Okay. Then if we go, when we finally get back to the start, if we go to the left instead of the right, this is the more difficult route. It has 2 moving turrets, there's one there, and then 2 static turrets, but it also has pickups. So the player has to decide, do they want to take the easy route or with no reward, or the more difficult route but get the reward. So we'll go all the way down this road. Then got the 2 static turrets. And as the level progresses, the turrets have more health and more damage. So the starting turrets are obviously the easiest ones, and here are the pickups as well. And then when you get to the end, they're the most difficult turrets, most damage and most health. Okay, so here's the other moving turret. Just take that out. Okay. And then we should be back to where the roads join up with that final turret, which is here. So take him out. Okay, so this is where the sort of canyon area gets tighter. We've got 2 turrets here, again more damage, more health, and they do more damage. So we'll take them out. Yeah, more of a tighter area as we carry on down the road. Then we have another checkpoint and quite a few pickups. First, this notice that says there's an enemy blockade on the bridge, take them out. Then got another repair because this the blockade that I've done is quite difficult, and the turrets have quite a lot of damage and health since they're like the ending turrets. Just really quick though, you can fly over here if you really want to. There's no like hidden areas or anything, and if you get to the end then there is blocking volume, so you can't go any further than that. I did have to put a blocking volume over the top of the water as well, or else the helicopter would have just like sunk. So that's that. So we'll get back onto the bridge. Then if we head to the end of the bridge, here's this little blockade. There's just these 2 for now, so go ahead and take them out. Pretty simple. He says as he can't hit them. There we go. Then we got these guys that move a lot faster than the past turrets I've done. So just wait for them to come back. You have to try and line this one up. Can be quite difficult, and they do more damage. It's going to take me ages to get these. I might have to slow these down actually. Might be a little bit too fast. I'm going to die as well. But anyway, there we go, finally got one. So we got them turrets, then we got these bigger ones which are like the boss, the final turrets. Again, more health, more damage. So we follow the road down, and also just another example of the blocking volumes. Try and go this way, then you just can't. Try and go the other way, and again you'll be hit back. Then we got like a drop where the road stops, just a little building there with a little pool. Carry on all the way through here, and if we bring back up the quest, we'll see that reaching this go-to marker is the end of the level, So that's the extraction point, and that's the end of the level. So just before we end the video, I'll show what I mean about the blocking volumes. If we go on to top, gives a better view. You can see them all the way around, so the player can't get out the map, or else you just go anywhere. So yeah, that's the end of the level. We've got the starting area with teaching the movement and the weapon system. Then we've got the pickups and checkpoints. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, guys.